In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple organizational chart using Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and change your page layout to landscape for more space. Next, click on Insert. Select SmartArt, and then choose the Hierarchy category. Pick the layout that works best for your office. For demonstration purposes, I'll choose the first option. Now begin by entering all the job titles in your office. It's best to use job titles instead of names so your chart stays flexible and easy to update. You can also add colors to each level to make the hierarchy clearer and more visually organized. Finally, always include the date the chart was last updated. This helps you track changes and keep versions organized over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos and practical tips to make your work easier and more organized.